Hi, we're looking at page 250, number 8 in the grade 9 review practice questions for unit 3. So this tells us that we want to find the base of each trapezoid if these two trapezoids have the same area. Now the formula for area of a trapezoid is h over 2 times b1 plus b2. Now sometimes I've seen that as a plus b. That's another way of writing that. If that's maybe what you saw, that's a bit more common to see. So when we're finding the area of a trapezoid, the h is the up and down measure. So in the first trapezoid, that's 4, and in the second one, that's 2. The A and B, or in the textbook it said B1 plus B2, that's the top and the bottom. So I'm going to use A and B just so it looks a little bit different. And then this one would be A and that one would be B. Okay? So we're going to find a formula for the area of each trapezoid. So here, area equals H over 2 times A plus B. So I'm going to find what that would be. So the h is 4 over 2, whoops, bracket there, times a, which is x, and plus the b, which is that x plus 3 on the bottom. So remember, 4 over 2 is just a 2, and x plus x, here we have like terms. So 1x plus 1x is 2x plus 3. And then I'm going to do the same thing, finding the formula for using the formula for area of the second trapezoid. And I'll find h over 2 times a plus b. Now my h here is 2, I don't know if it says centimeters or what, but it's 2. So I will put in 2 over 2, and then A is the top. So A is our 3x and B is 4x. So the top is 3x plus the bottom is 4x. So 2 over 2 is just 1, and then that's times 7x. And that would just be 1 times 7x is just 7x. So now, if it tells us that these two areas are equal, then what I'm going to want to do is I want to take this area equation and make it equal to this area equation, and then that will let me solve for our x value. So I'm going to make a new equation saying that this area equals to this area. So I'll do that over here. So 2 times 2x plus 3 equals 7x. Now I need to multiply into the brackets. So I would get 4x plus 6 equals 7x. And then I would bring my variables to the left and numbers to the right. So I'll have 4x that was there, and the 7x will come to the left and be minus 7x. And then the plus 6 will go to the right, and it will be minus 6. Now 4x take away 7x is negative 3x, which is negative 6. And I divide by negative 3 on both sides. So x equals 2. So once I figure out that x equals 2, I could find all of the shapes or the sides of each shape. So the first shape, it's just asking me for the side at the bottom. What's the base? So if the base was x plus 3, that would equal 2 plus 3, or 5 centimeters. And in the second shape, the base was 4x. So if x equals 2, it's 4 times 2, or 8 centimeters. So the base of the first trapezoid is 5 centimeters, and the base of the second trapezoid is 8. If you wanted to find the tops, you could do that as well and double check your area formulas.